ngin poi cha ka jing job kan long ka sin ban kong ba ka BJP kan yo ban ra ya ka jing job na ki constituency ki ba shabar jom ka sor silong de ka ra kan long ke ka ba ka jing ka na mar ba ki pa ba ki la kwa ka jing kala we are here to bring a change in the state. There are a lot of works that we need to do. We are quite confident that BJP will be in the government and we will be bringing a lot of change for the people. Under the able leadership of Narendra Modi ji, we are very confident that we are going to bring a lot of funds and resources for the state, and we are going to bring a lot of development. Priorities are on the health sector, the education sector, and the most important of all is the employment sector. Ka BJP kandon haka sarkar, but ki kam ki bangi di bantray kalong ban wanra ikaroy kapar haka koy kakya ban wara ka roy kapar ha kacing puli bat kumju kaba kongsan kaba ngibo hakmat nakaliang ka BJP kalong ban ay kam ay jam iki kon samla jungi kumbolong umudi bang ide ban achieve 10 lakhs youths being employed within 1 year ngiru ngin bot ya kata kathong bat ngin le katbala ban bo ya ka employment issue as a top agenda, but stang hapo arsi laisi ngin sa pelaj ya ka manifesto, but andala pelaj ya manifesto pin salap kibon ki agenda jong ka BJP ki bangi kwa bangin wanra ya karoy kapar ha kani ki jelajung. I'm quite confident for a victory, and the mood in my constituency is upbeat, and today just to escort me I had just about 3,000 supporters who had come all the way from Mawsynram. So I feel that yes, we'll be there in the next assembly as well. Yeah. The top priority for my constituency is to declare a civil subdivision for Mawsynram. Miladon kam bangin pli ka civil subdivision Mawsynram na kwa ba haka sarkar ka batmai ka kam ka banungkong do banle kalay bangin pli ka subdivision Mawsynram ngin wanra iki development kum ban sina ka mauplang to Balat Road ngidang don kam ban penhe ka surok ngidon kam de bangin ai yakiwe issues of development yamata ka Mawsynram, particularly on the tourism sector namarba ka Mawsynram ka sora kalong kajing internet kalong kajo ndrei haki sne mala de baro Mawsynram kila neglect na ka sarkar ka ba kabdan menta kila the pisa tang sora but sekiwi jaga ndrei ka Mawsynram kila shui ngin develop ya ka Mawsynram into a tourist destination knang ba ki kon samla jungi kinyo kamyo jam. The people of Meghalaya have understood that they need a change now, and that change can be brought only by the BJP. The state has undergone a lot of financial crisis. The state needs to come back on the track, and it needs to provide a lot of developmental projects. We need roads, we need engineering colleges, we need medical colleges, we need employment for the youths. So these are all the issues that are in the manifesto of the BJP, which we are going to implement the moment we sit in the government. See, there has been ups and downs. I would not say that MDA government has not done anything. There were ups, there were downs. We need to, again, take forward the state. It is not a time to blame game. It is a time to create and bring development to the state. We should all work together to bring development to the state. MDA has done some good things. MDA has done some things that people may not have liked it. Therefore, we have to work together to take forward so that we bring development to the people, and people should benefit from every developmental scheme that the center is providing. The center has provided more than 70 schemes to the people of the state. Now, how many such schemes have actually been implemented? How many schemes have actually percolated down to the people? down to the grassroots. Therefore, it is our duty as elected members later or as part of the government to see that these people do benefit out of the schemes that the centre is providing them. It is the voters who have asked me to go to BJP. So it is not me who have taken them for a ride. It is they who have asked me that there is no future in these parties, and therefore kindly shift over to BJP because they want development, because it is only BJP that can bring a change to the state.